Hello everyone, and yes, we have another unboxing, and if you're wondering what it is, well, unless you read the title, here's the number. Yeah. Alright, the box is open, and yes, I don't have a tripod yet. I'm planning on getting one soon. Forgot to get one over the weekend. What do we have here? Yes. Yeah. Open this bad boy up. Alright, let's open the box before the battery dies. Yes. Don't want to grab it. Oh boy. So yes, this is the model here. Don't want to take it out of the box because I only have one hand, and I need two hands to take it out of the box. Well, never mind. Yes, finally got it. A Peterbilt 335 rollback, and you don't want to focus. There we go. Finally got it. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.